Hello, good morning. Welcome to the channel. Today's video, I'm on Moi Avenue. Going to share a video from Moi Avenue City Center today. Stay tuned. I decided to take a rest around this junction, around the railways. There are these free terrazzo stones you can rest. So I said, let me take a rest. This video starts around these junctions to the center of the city center along Moi Avenue. So the video just ends at the center. I didn't go past there to the upper side. So that's what you're going to see in this video. It's a lot of upgrades on this side on the other side, on the right side. And you'll see towards the end of the video. So on my way, I saw this motorcycle enforcement which was going on, and then I took a chance to talk with one of them. This is what we were talking about, what was going on. So, and this is what he was telling me. If you can hear in Swahili, it was just about enforcing law and order for motorcycles along this road. Okay. Nimeona mkija hivi na pikipiki. Sawa. So while here, I decided to enter this electronic shop to check on something I was looking for. So this is what I was doing at this part of the video. So the video is going to end around that place where this huge building, the KCB, Kencom, where KCB is located, KCB, Kenya Commercial Bank, the cream building, just right ahead. That's where I'm going to end the video. So stay tuned, check out what I have in this video, and please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.